Definitely have to get to this dump today. So, be right back. Good morning. I've been awake for a little bit. Haven't been really doing any filming. Hope y'all liked that last video last week. But I've been up for a minute. I know I'm probably making y'all dizzy. But I need to go ahead and get my day started. Amanda, she went out and she's doing like some kind of facial thing. So I'm just here at the house by myself. A little coffee. But I had already ate breakfast. I want to say I didn't get up real early. Slept into like, I think 6:30, 7 o'clock or something like that. Slept in pretty good. Got a few things to do today. I got to go to the dump. And that's really it. And then go work in the garden. Not super exciting. And anywho, different hat. I mean, I'm getting a box coming for my camera gear. I'm excited about that. We had a really good 4th of July. I really did enjoy it. It was nice having everybody over. We haven't had anybody over in a minute. So. Alright, let's go ahead and head outside. So there's a few things I need to do. Yep, and I don't tie these mofos. Hey, bring you on up here. Alright, so before I go out, I have a filter. I'll make sure that we get you all filtered up. But because I live in the Arizona sun here, I have to put this filter on. Looks pretty banged up. And this is how it looks, and that gives you a little darkness when I go outside. So, I'll meet you out there. Okay, filter on, we'll head on outside, see how this works. It's amazing. And then there, get a nice clean picture. Somehow we're zoomed in, looks like we're zoomed in on me. Let's unzoom me. Boom. Well, got it really zoomed in it? So there it is. Ta-da! And that's the filter. It's like putting sunglasses on your camera thing. But I'm gonna check the thing here. Plants are looking pretty good. You stick the finger in, see how dry they are. Pretty. Got a little moisture in there. But most days I start my day. Amanda's usually out here early. She's an early riser. She gets up pretty early. And I do sometimes too. And sometimes I just sleep in a little later. Winter's a little different. I actually get up earlier in the winter just because I can go ahead and do some more stuff because it's, I don't know, I feel like I just like getting up when it's cold. I know. Kind of I sleep in or summer, it makes no sense, but anyhow, let me see if I gotta start my truck here. I gotta go to the thing, gotta go to the dump. I got a bunch of crap back here I gotta get, and then I'm gonna go ahead, hopefully it's not dead. I don't think it is. Oh shit, I forgot the key. Camera does that shit, but got the key. But yeah, I definitely have to get to this dump today. So, be right back. she's dead. See, I got an electric issue, and I've been working on it, trying to get this damn thing done, and I have replaced a ton of parts. I've taken it to a freaking mechanic, and it's something electrical, and can't figure out what the hell it is. And it's not new, it's been going on for a few years, and I've had a few mechanics look at it, and I sure the hell do not know why it dies like that. And it's good to go if I run it every day, which I don't need to go somewhere every day. If I run it every day, it's fine. But I let it sit for a week, done. Should have started unplugging the battery. I think I was doing it for a while. Anyhow, let me go get the charger for it. No, dude. Crazy. I might just need a boost, but we'll see. Here. Oh. Wait, no. Guess we'll just let that charge for a minute. That's fucking a little unusual. Usually I can just, guess it's a little bit more dead than I thought. Interesting. I see you in a bit. Well, since the truck's got to start, might as well good sign, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my workout done here. I am waiting. Go ahead and get the workout done. For a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flame by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Hey, how's it going? I even got all this stuff on. It's been a little warm. I didn't get back out here. Trying to charge the truck up. Let's see what we got. Give it a little testaroonie here. Get Joe over here. Yeah, quit tracking me. Get you focused. Alright. Ah, that guy's hot like a motherfucker. Do that shit. Alright, see if we can start up. Alright, got her started. So we'll go ahead and let her run for a little bit. Yeah. Golly. Okay, got that down. Got that unplugged. I'm gonna let her run. Okay, looking good. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and let that run a little bit and go from there. Get mail. See if we got anything. Yeah, looks like this junk. Looks like it just got Giancaroni. It's all good. So, I got it running. I'm gonna go ahead and let it run a little bit and cool down. Dump's closed already. I went down a rabbit hole on YouTube and freaking, well, I don't know if you do the YouTube thing, it happens. Plus, it's hotter heck out here. So, see you in a bit. So anyhow, that's the end of the day. Here's a few creatures from our water station. They've been coming in like crazy. Thanks for watching, and stay easy. Peace.
Roam, build, live.